Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, March 7th, 2011. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 21 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning. We had a nice gap up, and we had what would be considered a high probability gap trade this morning. We opened at 1324, and the market continued to push higher after the open. Went up past our Globex high, found resistance there on 3 different occasions, came down through our moving average, and actually gave what would be a reset. Came back up, gave a signal long, produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks, and this time it put in a slightly lower high than what we had on that 3-point resistance. The market came back down through our moving average on a fast move, set up a nice extension to the downside, which hit targets 1 and targets 2 for 11 ticks, and then even gave you another opportunity as it came back to the gold line for a longer term swing to the downside. The market kept pushing down into the past the 10:45 confirmation time, and it really started picking up steam on this move. You can see how the price stayed underneath our gold moving average this whole time. It just kept going lower, lower, pulled back to the moving average, pushed down, got below Friday's low, and then ultimately it wasn't until the lunchtime dead zone, this area, red area on your chart here between 11:30 and 1:15, it wasn't until that lunchtime dead zone that it actually put into what looked to be a low, came back up to its moving average, gave a signal to get long. That signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside at 145 for 7 ticks. And then there was another signal to get short. This signal, you were able to get the first contract off, but you didn't get the push to the downside you were looking for, so you ended up with a stop out on that particular move, and as it came back through its moving average, it set up another long signal. Now this one's unfortunate. Again, the way that we trade is we trade multiple contracts, and after we get our first contract off, we actually adjust our stop up and get tight to the market. In this instance, we were stopped out only to see the market go on to reach what would have been our T2 target. But such is life. That is trading. Sometimes you take stops, but it's better to take these tight stops than to give up a bunch of ticks when the market does go against you. And with today's market complexion, obviously the downside was the side that things we're looking at. So all in all, pretty good day for us. We had 5 trades, 21 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.